John Taylor, Head of Design Engineering. We recently rebranded to Design Engineering to reflect the developments we've made to the department and also the recent subject reform. Engineering is becoming a far more popular subject. It's not the greasy, male-dominated profession that it was once thought of. Design engineering encompasses and applies those mathematical and technical skills that our pupils learn in their science and maths lessons. 3D printing is a technology that is constantly evolving and becoming more prevalent in our everyday lives. These two 3D printers behind me were actually built by our lower 5th and upper 6th pupils as part of an extracurricular project. This has allowed them not only to learn how a 3D printer works, but also start building things on something that they have actually made. An understanding of robotics is becoming more and more important due to the autonomous nature of products around us and the services that we interact with on a day-to-day basis. It's important that our pupils learn and understand how these systems work so that we can use them in a positive light. The subject is all about problem solving and developing solutions to those problems in the world around us. We offer both product design and design engineering at A-level, and both our GCSE and 4th form courses allow our pupils to get a flavour for both. The subject can be paired with a number of others, but for the design engineering side of things, physics and maths fit really well. In the 4th form at Cranleigh, we've completely revamped our curriculum. We're now introducing things such as CAD and 3D printing, robotics, mechanisms, structures. Getting hands-on and building all these different devices is really useful for the pupils. We've also introduced electronics. This lab that I'm currently stood in here is our new electronics lab that allows us to do soldering and also manufacture circuit boards. At GCSE, our pupils are able to begin to specialise in their chosen pathway, whether that be design engineering or product design, to prepare themselves for the A-level courses that we offer. Quite often our A-level designers continue to study the subject at university, choosing courses in the various engineering disciplines or industrial or product design. It doesn't just stop at the obvious courses though. The ability to tackle a brief or a context and produce a viable solution really prepares our pupils for a whole range of different courses. Outside the classroom, there are a whole number of different opportunities available to our pupils. We're getting involved with the Engineers competition. This is where pupils design, build and create their own drones and race them against other schools. We're also getting involved with VEX Robotics, which is a global competition, and we'll be hosting both Engineers and VEX Robotics competitions in the very near future. Our pupils enter a number of different national design competitions such as the Triumph Design Awards, and also apply for scholarships such as Arkwright, and they're quite often lucky enough to be shortlisted. We've got a brilliant team of teachers here in the Design Engineering department that allow us to develop and deliver a whole range of different projects. This really appeals to our pupils and makes the subject very popular here at Cranleigh.